On today's episode of Garage Noise, I'm going to show you how to remove the front bumper on this 2016 Acura ILX. So if you want to build your skill and increase your knowledge, start now by subscribing and clicking that bell. So I'm going to do it a little bit differently today, and we're going to show you, I've already removed the bumper, I'm going to show you with the bumper off. And it might be a little bit easier to comprehend, so we're going to look over here. And what we have on this side is we have two locations here where there are two clips. It's a push-in clip. You pull this tab out and then you can pull this clip out. And they go right there. 1, 2. It has a Phillips head screwdriver right here that goes up this way into the fender of the vehicle. And then this is where the bumper snaps into the retaining bracket. Let me show you the retaining bracket. Right here. It snaps into these little clips here. So once you get that loose and you get all the clips out, you're going to pull, just give a tug on this and it'll snap out of this retaining bracket. There's also a retaining bracket here, and it has the same kind of it fastens in the same kind of way. So once you get all the clips removed, you can give it a tug. But let me show you the one thing that you need to know on this. The bumper should come off just like this. So this plastic piece, this grill, all this stuff remains on the bumper, okay? There's one attachment here that you need to remove, and it just has a push-in tab on this side, and you push it in and pull it out, okay? These clips all along here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I think there's 6, 7, yep. So there's 2 on this side, so 8, 9. 9 clips on the bottom. There's also a clip that goes here that attaches into the splash shield that runs along this bumper cover, and there's a clip that attaches here. Now on the top of this bumper, I'm going to flip this down so you can see it. So this is looking down on the top of the bumper from under the hood. There's going to be a clip here. There's going to be clips here. 2, 3, 4, and then 5, okay? And then also there's a little bit of a different type of clip that goes in here. There's 1, and then there's 2 here. I'll show you that. And then there's 3 here. So there's 4 clips there, and let me show you those kind. So there's 4 clips like this where you push in the center, you just push it in, and then you can pull this out, okay? So this is what the car's going to look like with the bumper off. It's very easy to remove this bumper. You can do it at home. Okay, I wanted to give you a look under the hood, and this is the engine cover that I was referring to that has clips in it. Just push in clips along the front edge, and then along the back edge, this is the clip where you push in the center and then you pull that out, and this cover comes off. And then there is 2 10mm bolts underneath this cover right here and approximately right here, and that's what it takes to remove that. So if you're replacing your bumper and you need to paint your bumper, watch this video right here, and that'll teach you everything you need to know about painting or repairing a scratch or damage on your bumper cover. I appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.